Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is My Heart is Like a Singing Bird, Inspiring Quotes to Colour and Keep. The artist is, well, the book, Hinkler. It's a fairly decent sized book. I picked this up from my local Wilko, that's in the UK. So I'll get started. So you get a few ideas of what art people have coloured these pictures. This is your main title page, and then these are your pictures. I like this book because it's also got perforated pages, so once you've coloured it you can take it out and pop it in a frame and gift it. They're all single-sided images. And then these are the quotes. The family is one of nature's masterpieces by George Santana. Hope is the only bee that makes honey without flowers. The only limitations are the ones we put on ourselves. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing, by Walt Disney. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. Shoot for the moon, even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. Storms make trees take deeper roots. Dolly Parton. The best and most beautiful things in life cannot be seen nor touched, but are felt in the heart. Helen Keller. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. For a caterpillar to become a butterfly, it must change. By Unknown. Happiness is a perfume you cannot pour on others without getting a few drops on yourself. Ralph Emerson. You must recognise the value of the moment. Helena Wagowska. A good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. Nelson Mandela. You simply have to put one foot in front of the other and keep going. George Lucas. Getting out of 12 now. Have courage for the great sorrows of life and patience for the small ones. Victor Hugo. Far away in the sunshine are my highest aspirations. I may not reach them, but I can look up and see their beauty, believe in them and try to follow where they lead. Louisa Alcott. No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings. William Blake. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale. Hans Christian Andersen. With the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. Eleanor Roosevelt. There is no love sincerer than the love of food. George Bernard Shaw. Who can relate? We've only this moment, sparkling like a star in our hand and melting like a snowflake. Marie Bayham Ray. Beauty is not in the face, but beauty is a light in the heart. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stops at all. Emily Dickinson. Earth laughs in flowers. Ralph Waldo Emerson. When tea becomes ritual, it takes its place at the heart of our ability to see greatness in small things. Muriel Barbary. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In out of 12 now. Love is a canvas furnished by nature and embroidered by the imagination. Voltaire. Be happy, it's one way of being wise. Autumn is a second spring when every leaf is a flower. I've always been delighted at the prospect of a new day, a fresh try, one more start with perhaps a bit of magic waiting somewhere beyond the morning. Our sweet start. Whenever you are creating beauty around you, you are restoring your own soul. Home is not where you live, but where they understand you. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. Oprah Winfrey. Nature uses human imagination to lift her work of creation to even higher levels. Have a heart that never hardens, and a temper that never tires, and a touch that never hurts. Charles Dickens. We do not see nature with our eyes, but with our understandings and our hearts. My heart is like a singing bird, whose nest is in a watered shoot. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. Albert Einstein. Just living is not enough. One must have sunshine, freedom, and a little flower. I now believe that pain makes you stronger, and now I believe that walking through a lot of rainstorms gets you clean. Taylor Swift. We can never obtain peace in the outer world until we obtain peace with ourselves. Tee ha ha, laughter is the shortest distance between two people. Victor George. Whatever we lose, like a you or a me, it's always ourselves we find in the sea. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. Hope is like the sun, which as we journey towards it, casts a shadow of our burdens behind us. Samuel Smiles. Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant. Robert Louis Stevenson. And then a couple of more pictures that's been coloured. And that's back at book. And it just says, brighten up your day with this gorgeous book of illustrated quotes to colour and display. These quotes emanating from such brilliant minds as Christina Rosetti, Emily Dickinson and Albert Einstein have been carefully selected for their inspirational nature and lushly illustrated to reflect the essence of each quote. All that is left for you to do is to bring them to life. The tear-out pages allow you to lift spirits wherever you go, whether used as inspiration whilst working hard at your desk, as uplifting decoration for your home, or as a perfect gift for someone special. Let your inner artist motivate you with My Heart is Like a Singing Bird, inspiring quotes to colour and keep. And that's by Hinkler Pty Ltd. So yeah, I think this was £3 or £4 at Wilko UK. I will pop it in description anyway. So there we have it. If you enjoyed it, thumbs it up. If you didn't, thumbs it down. Click that notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload any new content. If there's anything you want me to review or flip through, please drop me a comment. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much to everybody that's subscribed to me up to now. I really do appreciate all your support. Commenting, liking, sharing, just engaging with me makes a whole big difference. So thank you so much to everybody. As always, take care and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.